2018 Tundra, you want to put the 3-inch and the tweeter with the crossover front focal, the Access 3-way set. How much power would you put in them?
Well, first off, let's just start with, it's going to be difficult. That 3.5 is not going to drop right into the dash. You're going to have to do some modifications to it. It just doesn't go boom, hey, cool. Not at all. You're going to have to router the hole out bigger and make new mounting brackets. You're going to have to smooth out the grill because there's a lip on there. You have to remove all that. So with that being said, if you're prepared for that, power-wise, typically we run anywhere between 125 to 150 watts on that 3-way set. We've actually taken the 901, actually when it was the 900.5, the Exelon XR 900.5, and bridge channels 1 and 2 to a set of Access and a Tundra. We've also used the Morel 5-channel and bridged that to a 2-channel amp. That one actually sounded the best, which you could get away with going with their 4-channel and bridging it to a 2-channel and be a full AB class. Be about 110 watts. Was perfect for a set of Access and sounded amazing in the front of a Tundra. We've also done the Kenwood DSP amplifier when we did the JBL system, which we bridged. That didn't work out the best. I didn't like the way that sounded. We've done the audio control, as we said, and then we've done an Alpine. Plenty of amplifiers out there. Big props for the Morel though, because it's reasonably priced and it's AB.